Our hands and feet, the unsung heroes of human greatness. We love to attribute our success to intellect, culture, or possibly the invention of tea, but really it's these gloriously versatile appendages that got us here. Well, take the early human hand, for instance, a marvel of evolution capable of painting the Sistine Chapel and furiously typing out a passive-aggressive email. And yet, despite all its artistic finesse, it shares an uncanny resemblance to dolphin flippers, bat wings, and horse hooves. Turns out evolution doesn't reinvent the wheel, it just gets very creative with the same old toolkit. So enter Hackens 1, a little snippet of DNA, uniquely human, subtly shaping our limbs, with the precision of a bureaucrat issuing parking fines. Thanks to quirks like this, we ended up with dexterous hands, while dolphins, despite their magnificent brains, are stuck with flippers, forever unable to hold a smartphone or a decent cup of tea. A true tragedy. But hands and feet are just part of the story. Our evolutionary history is less grand design and more chaotic family reunion. Humans and Neanderthals, well, let's just say there was. This interbreeding means many Europeans today carry traces of Neanderthal DNA, some of which may have influenced things like skin color, and, oddly enough, an ancient fondness for tobacco before cigarettes were a thing. So what's the lesson here? Evolution doesn't plan it. Humanity's greatness isn't down to precision engineering, but rather a series of fortunate biological accidents and some incredibly lucky genetic shuffling. I'm your guide, Antonio Klim. May the pseudo-powers be always with you.